Hello, this is the Video Lover 3 channel, and yeah, let's check it out. Enjoy.
If your kids like to work out, have we got a personal trainer? If they're learning the alphabet, we can make it as easy as ABC. And when it's time to share,
I'll only play with it for a minute. No, Zoe.
Everybody gets a turn on Sesame Street with all new home videos that are full of new ways for your kids to count, to dance, and to learn. Plus book and tape sets and audio for new ways to read and listen. From Sesame Street, the place where the laughter and the learning never end.
Play it again, Mom.
Sesame Street Home Videos and Audio. Award-winning and original entertainment. Created especially for young imaginations. From Sony Wonder.
It's so exciting.
Hey, that looks good.
Yeah! Sesame Street Home Video.
It's not that easy being a kid's man. There's oh so much to know. We sure could use a lot to help us as we grow. Wanna learn to give and take and share and lend a helping hand.
And to find out what to do when things don't work out like we planned.
Gotta learn to tell the truth. Gotta know what we should eat. Gotta learn to hold our grown-ups hand each time we cross the street. Gotta find out all about the world. It's time to get down to it. And we're proud we brought some friends along to help us while we do it. If advice is what you're looking for, we'll show you where to turn. The Kids Guide to Life is here to help you live and learn.
Live and learn.
Big Bird, get sloshed.